What if there's an expanse of terrain out there, waiting for the unimaginable to happen? That's what we're built for. We crave that which we don't know. It creates the adventure, the memory, and the passion. Venture to the unimaginable. Create the path least traveled.
Since 2013, Custom Offsets has been challenging the status quo of what it means to be an enthusiast. We started by launching the world's largest fitment gallery, helping thousands of enthusiasts find the perfect wheel and tire package by answering the ever-important questions of what wheels fit my truck, how much trimming am I going to need to do, and of course, how will this wheel and tire package look on my truck? Since the beginning, our gallery has grown to over 70,000 vehicles and continues to grow to this day, but we didn't stop there. As we continue to see a growing demand in the market for advice, product reviews, and information from real truck owners just like you, we started our YouTube channel. Over the last 7 years, and with all of your help, this channel has grown to over 450,000 subscribers, creating what we like to call the Custom Offsets family. But we didn't stop there. Over the years, you guys told us that you wanted to see something different in the aftermarket wheel game. You told us that you wanted a product that looked great, both on the street and at the show. You asked us for a wheel that came in the big show sizes while still remaining attainable for every build. You asked us for a wheel that offered the advantage of a true directional design without the additional cost of forged wheels. You asked, and we answered. Launching in 2017, we fulfilled these needs by announcing our very own show wheel brand, Anthem Offroad. Anthem Offroad took the market by storm and redefined what it meant to be a wheel brand in today's market. But we didn't stop there either. Over the last few years, we again have heard the Custom Offsets family asking us for something different. We've seen the comments, the questions, the feedback. You guys have asked us for a wheel that's functional, a wheel that's made for those who choose to use their trucks, the tradesmen, the outdoorsmen, and the loyal. You asked us for a wheel that was made for work and play, and dare I say, a wheel built for life outdoors. I'm here today to say, you asked, and we listened. Today it is my absolute pleasure to announce to you the official partnership between Anthem Offroad and Custom Offsets. With this partnership, Custom Offsets will again be challenging the status quo of what it means to be a truck enthusiast in the market today. Anthem Offroad has long been an established wheel company with a rich history of loyalty, dependability, and reliability. This wheel company has stood the test of time, providing a product built for those of you who are more than just a day job. Anthem Offroad provides wheels for the working class, for the great tradesmen and women of this country, and for those of you who believe in being a part of this great nation. They offer wheels in a variety of sizes, from the functional 17-inch designs all the way up to the work hard, play hard 20x12 designs. At the core of Anthem Offroad are ideals that we also hold true at Custom Offsets: life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. For this reason, Anthem Offroad was the ideal choice when it came to filling this unique void in our product offerings, and we couldn't be happier to share their story with you today. Based around the idea of letting the enthusiasts lead the wheel designs and offer what people truly wanted, Anthem Offroad has had a focus on what they call their wheel democracy. Allowing designs to be influenced by the community and working with what people wanted, Anthem created unique wheels that entered the market. 8 years is a lot of time to develop, and Anthem has progressed into the beast that it is today. We are excited to share a few of the stories behind some of their most iconic Anthem Offroad wheel designs with you right now. Starting with the Anthem Equalizer. The Equalizer is one of the oldest models in the Anthem Offroad lineup and is a tried and true model that's proven to stand the test of time. Up next is the Anthem Viper. Based on the turbines from the F-16V US Air Force fighter jet, this is the first full-face design from Anthem Offroad, and it offers a truly unique look into what they are now presenting on their new models. And of course, Anthem's respect to our military shines through in both the name and theme of this wheel, which is something that Custom Offsets also stands strongly behind. And finally, the Anthem Liberty. Built around the belief that all people have unalienable rights, including life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, Anthem Offroad comes through again with their iconic themed wheels and brings you maybe one of the most American wheels you could ever want. Period. The Anthem Offroad story is more than just words on a page. It's more than a story of durability, patriotism, or hard work. Anthem Offroad truly is a brand built for life outdoors, and we are here today to share in their story.
Venture to the unimaginable.